Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install Net Framework 3.5 or 4.0, or perhaps both on your Windows XP computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Start menu, and on the right side, you want to select where it says Set Program Access and Defaults. Go ahead and left click on that. Select Add/Remove Windows Components on the left side here. And now there should be a couple of options if you scroll down for Net Framework 3.5 as well as 4.0. If you want to install them, you just would check mark the box next to it and you would select Next and it would go ahead and download those applicable files. And you would need to go ahead and restart your computer as well in order for the changes to take effect in most cases. So that's what I would recommend doing. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.